Charlie Weisong with Cutting Horse Tools, and I want to take you through this machine that we've just designed and built. And this is a sequence that will produce the parts for one sawhorse a minute. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load the board into the machine. There are locating pins to put this in a proper position. Now I'm going to run through the cycle as slowly as we can, and then come back and rerun the whole cycle at one time. But the first thing that will happen is the clamps will grab the board so that the board is not moved at all. It's a stable operation. But this is the clamps grabbing it. All right? The next thing that happens after the clamps grab the part is these drills come down. This is a quarter horse DC motor. It's driving 2 drills on a very precise distance, and we will drill the holes at the end of this board. I'll sequence that now. All right, it takes a little bit of time to do it. The third thing that happens is this branding iron, after the drills come back up, then the branding iron will come down to brand our logo into each lower stretcher. Okay, here's the branding iron coming down, staying for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, the next operation is that underneath here. Underneath here is this is a 3-horse motor. It's driving a shaft right here, right there. And we will have saws on this shaft that will cut the dado at the end of each board. All right, and it'll also cut the board to an exact length so that parts are exactly the same from day to day and sawhorse to sawhorse, so we have very good reproducibility. Now the other thing we got over here, let me step over here. This is the heart of all of this. This is run on a computer, what they call a PLC, a programmable logic controller, and that sits right here in this location. It then sequences solenoids, which then also go to the various machines, the drills, the branding iron, the clamps, and the saw moving forward. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and push the start button, and when I push the start button, this will all move real fast, and so we're going to sequence this twice. And we can't put it in slow motion, but we can at least let you see 2 sequences here. Here we go. Clamps come down, drills come down, branding iron comes down, saw comes forward. Now the clamps have released. The operator pulls the part out, puts another part in, and then we cycle it again. Okay. Clamps are up. As the saw goes back, it then tells the PLC, the little computer there, it tells it, open the clamps up. It does so, and you pull the part out. All right?